Hello everyone. Today I will be demonstrating how to access and explore Microsoft Outlook. You may download the Microsoft Outlook application or open it through your laptop browser. I will be using the browser to access Microsoft Outlook. My credentials are already set in place, but once you type in the Microsoft Outlook website, you will log in. You will enter your credentials in order to log into your student email via Microsoft Outlook. Once you download the Microsoft Outlook application or open it through your browser, you will be able to see all Microsoft Outlook tools such as Inbox, Drafts, Sent Items, Deleted Items, Junk mail, and more. We will first focus on the Inbox tab. We can locate the Inbox tab at the left corner of Microsoft Outlook email. The Inbox tab represents the emails that have been sent to you. If you would like to view the entire message email that was sent to you, you will select any email from the Inbox tab. To send an email or compose a new email, you will choose the option that says New Message. In the To section, you will type out the email of the person you want to email and send a message, document, or even homework. You are also able to send an email to multiple individuals. The next part you will fill out is the subject section. Here you will type out a few words indicating what your email will be about. The large blank square is where you will begin composing your email. Here, in this blank square, you may type out your message, add documents and images by selecting the tools below. If you would like to email a document, you will click the paperclip. When you select the paperclip, you will see a menu appear with a selection of options such as the latest documents you have viewed or browse this computer. First, you have to have saved the document you want to send in order to attach it to your email and send. You will select Browse your computer, and soon after, you will be able to view the documents saved on your computer. You will select the appropriate document that you want to attach. After you attach the document to the email, you are then able to deliver your message found above your message or below. The option next to the paperclip is the image option. On the top left, you will see small squares in a larger square called the App Launcher. When you click the App Launcher, you will see different applications included with Microsoft, such as Word, PowerPoint, Sway, OneNote, Teams, and more. Once your teacher has added you as a student member in the Microsoft Teams online platform, you will receive an email to your student email access through Microsoft Outlook. Once you receive the email, you will select the email to view it and click Join to view all of your class content. Other important tabs, such as the Sent Items, will include emails that have been delivered from you. The Drafts tab is where the unsent emails are saved. If you happen to open a different tab or view a different email with the pre-started email in the home page that you began composing, will then be found in your Drafts tab for later editing and sending. Another tab found on the left is the Folders tab. The New Folders tab is how you may organize your emails to locate certain emails faster and easier. You are able to access your Microsoft Outlook student email from any other device. You may also be able to view saved documents on OneDrive, perks of using Microsoft Outlook.